In this video we're going to go through all the settings of the new Nextbase 322GW. So when you first turn this Nextbase on, this is the screen you will see. There is a protective film to remove. So the first thing you do is we remove the protective film. There we go, that's a bit better. Then we have to select our language. I'm going to go with English. Follow the setup for the first time. Set up our time zone. So we are in the UK, in Europe. So it is, swap hands, that's probably easier. UK and Ireland, and that's where we are. We're going to be using miles per hour, or you could set kilometers depending where you are. It's fine. So you can now set it up to work with the app if you want to. We are not going to use the app for this one, but you can connect your Bluetooth there. And there we are. Now your Nextbase dash cam is ready to use. And there we go. Now we can go into the settings by clicking on the stop record button. And here we are. Here's our main settings menu. So we have video settings, and here you can check your resolution, you can adjust the exposure, how long you want each video clip to record for, whether you want audio to record or not when you're in the vehicle. This is automatically set to on. We set it to off so it doesn't record while we are talking. You can have a speed stamp on the screen, which is currently on, a time stamp, a speed stamp, a GPS stamp, and the model stamp of the device all set on the screen. You can have it to set dual files in high and low. You can also have it so it continuously records as a time lapse. You can input your license plate in here, so you can put your own number plate in, and that will also display on the screen. And then you've got your G sensor settings. So this is for a knock. So if the vehicle is bumped when it's say parked, then this will set the record automatically, depending how hard that knock is. We'll leave it set to its automatic. So that's one menu. Then you have your settings for the device. So we can have screensaver, so you can either have this on or off, and this will either just turn the screen black, so you haven't got the moving picture up there, which I think is good. So we're going to turn the screensaver on. And then you can have alerts set on or off, and these are set to off. We don't really need alerts on. You can go through your recording history and see what's on here. And you can set your parking mode if you want parking mode on or off, and then this will be also to do with that medium to high sensitivity for your parking mode. So if the vehicle is parked and it is knocked, it will record for a set period of time. Change your language, change the country you're in, change the time zone you're in, and change the time and the date. This should automatically do this via GPS, but you can change it yourself. Speed limits, so if you want to set speed units, so if you want to set where you are and what you use. Screen dimming, so you can have it so it dims down automatically at night time, so it's not too bright. Auto power off, you can have it set for to stay on and then power off if the vehicle's battery gets low. You can check your user settings, so you can lock them so nothing can be changed. System information about the dash camera. You can format the SD card that is in the camera if you want to, and then we also have refer to default settings, so that put the whole camera back into its default settings again. You can set up driver assistance, and if we have a reversing camera plugged in, that would be on there. Emergency SOS will use the Bluetooth of your phone, and in the case of an emergency it will call a set emergency service for you. So that's quite a clever safety device. And then My Nextbase is going to be setting up the app on your phone. So if you get the My Nextbase app from your app store, and then you would pair it via Bluetooth, and then that way you can set the app up and use your your phone to see the video files recorded onto your Nextbase. So that's back to your recording screen. Anytime you tap the screen when it's recording, it will take a photo of that and save it to the memory card. And you can also lock the dash cam. So if you're in an accident or something just happens, or someone nearly crashes into you and you want to catch it on file, just hit the big Nextbase at the bottom, and then for the next few seconds it will record and lock that file so it won't get recorded. So that's another little feature, and there you go, and then it goes back to normal recording. You have a power button on the end here of the 322GW. Your SD card goes in there. You'll have your rear camera here, or your HD out if you want to run it into a TV. It's magnetic mounted, so if you want to pop it off, it just comes off on a magnet and goes back on a magnet. Very clever. And then it's on a rubber sucker on the windscreen. So that's kind of the setup and the settings of the 322GW. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to check out my other videos on dash cams. Check out the playlist at the end of this video for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.